What is good, everybody? Welcome to the channel, and I'm back at you with another video. And in today's video, I'm going to be installing the Trufiber carbon fiber center console in the Mustang. This video is a little bit older. I filmed it a while ago. Like I said, I have a bunch of videos that I filmed a while ago and just never edited or uploaded. So we're gonna hop into the video in a minute, but you know, we're almost at 250 subscribers, so if you guys would do me a huge favor and please hit that subscribe button down below, I would appreciate it so much. Let's get to 250, but let's hop into this video. So today I'm gonna be installing the carbon fiber center console in my Mustang from Trufiber. This thing is super nice. And I will show you how to install it. Obviously, you gotta remove the cup holder from the old one, the shift boot, where the shift boot goes, your trunk and hazard button, and your traction control button. So, alright, so removing this center console is pretty simple. Just unscrew your shift knob. Put that over there, and then I have a little adapter. Unscrew that if you have it. If not, and then just open your center console. You gotta use your, pretty much just ply in the middle. Can't do it with one hand. And you're gonna want to unplug the little plug right there. And I don't have any of the other buttons under here because I have the base model, so I don't have to unplug anything else. But if you have like the track pack, you're gonna have a few wires you gotta unplug over here. And there you go. Simple as that. It's out. Alright, so with the old one, to get the traction control button out, you just has two little clips right here. One right there, one right there. You just press them in, and it easily just pops out like that. Simple. There's 4 screws, I believe, on this cup holder. If I'm not mistaken, there's 1, 2, 3, and 4. Yeah, so you just want to remove that, which I think it's a Torx, so you gotta have a Torx. And then this right here, you're gonna have to pop this out, take your shift boot out, and then these black little clips are plastic. I don't know, you can't really see it. These black little plastic beads on the little bezel right here are like glued on there, so you have to have like a Dremel to sand them down or something to cut them with, so you could pop that out. And going to the carbon fiber one, where that goes, I bought some double-sided tape, Gorilla tape, to put on there, and you know, that will hold it. Everybody that has one that's what they told me to do with this one. So I'll show you the process. And you need to take these clips off and bring them over to here. Put these clips right here. Alright, so I got everything out. Got the cup holder out, the button, got the shift boot off. So these little black tabs are what I was talking about, that you have to either grind off or ply off, because you can't just pop this thing off. It won't just pop off. So you have to grind them down. I'd say there's about like 10 on here, a little more. Just these little black tabs. I'm not going to record me doing it because it's kind of hard to use the Dremel with one hand and do this and record. So I'll show you after I get it off. Alright, so like I said, those little tabs, I just grinded them down with the Dremel. Got it out. Pretty simple. Took like 5 minutes maybe. Thing grinds it down. You just use high speed, grinds it down super fast. Just gotta be careful, don't grind down any like of the knobs that you gotta put your shift boot back in, because that will mess you up, and this thing's powerful enough to mess up those knobs. So now I'm just gonna use double-sided tape to put this one on the carbon fiber. I cleaned it, I'm letting it dry right now, and now I just gotta get these little tabs off and put them on the carbon fiber one, and pretty much just switch everything over and we're done. Alright, so I got everything installed. Cup holders on, works fine. Traction buttons, all that works fine. Shift boots back in, and that's pretty much it. I'll show you what it looks like when it's in the car. Alright, got it installed back in the car. Sorry for the crappy lighting, it's nighttime out, but I'll show you better quality in the day when it's actually sunny, but pretty much got the radio fiber bezel, radio carbon fiber bezel, and then the center too. I'm waiting for the lid for the cup holder. It's on back order right now to set it, like make it all carbon, and then same with this right here is on back order too, so I'm waiting for that. And then once I get those, whole center console will be carbon fiber. That's pretty much easy install. Hardest part is probably getting this little bezel off the old one, which wasn't hard at all. You just gotta, you know, have a Dremel or something. All right, so like I said, this video was filmed a while ago, so it's been installed for a while, and as you can see, now I have no more carbon fiber radio bezel. I did upgrade to the Dynavision head unit so I could have Apple CarPlay and all that, but here is the carbon fiber center console. I did get the cup holder or the cup holder lid, and then I also did get the glove box carbon fiber. So super nice carbon. As you can see, Trufiber is always good. I did paint the trim on the shift boot or shifter black, as you can see. When I took it off, I just sanded it down, painted it black, and yeah, it looks a lot better in my opinion than being chrome. But I'll link this down below where you can get the center console. I'll link this too in the cup holder lid, and if you want the radio bezel, I'll link that too. But yeah, super simple install. Hardest part was getting the trim for the shift boot off, and then, you know, just double-sided tape back on. But should take maybe like an hour tops to do it. It's not hard at all. But if you guys made it this far in the video, I appreciate it so much. And if you would like, comment, and subscribe, I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.